It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Is it filming?
It's filming. Chris
We've
is
got
filming.
fucking epic weather for a 3-day tramp, as you can see.
And I'm guessing this is the end of the 3-day track that we're going to be doing. Leaving my car here so that when we're done, we have a vehicle to get back to wherever it is we're staying. So one vehicle at the front, one at the end. 2 nights, 3 days. Let's go. The Paparoa Track, New Zealand's newest great walk. This 3-day, 55-kilometer hike crosses the Paparoa Ranges, taking you over the alpine tops, down into the limestone valleys, and through the goblin-like rainforest. Located on the west side of the South Island, where the weather is known to be stormy at times. Heavier, not lighter. It's gonna be
and as you can tell, my hiking buddy Rob was pretty pumped about it. We've got fucking epic weather for a 3-day tramp, as you can see.
Yes, we do. Alright. It's all about the coal, although it says gold right there. Interesting. Which one are we going to?
The Moonlit Tops Hut.
Okay, so we're doing like 20k today.
Yeah.
Yay!
Exactly 20k.
20k, exactly. It must be so cool when you can actually see. The first hut, but not the one that we're staying at. We're heading to this one. So we're at the halfway point. Oh my God. And this is our hut. Oh, this one's sweet. Look at it. Holy crap. So happy to be here. So happy to be here. Day 2. Conditions are slightly better than yesterday, but I guess we'll see how the tramp goes when we head to the next hut. Yep. And off we go. Construction of the new Great Walk started in 2017 and was completed in November 2019. The story behind the trail is one of tragedy. In 2010, a group of 29 miners tragically died in a mining explosion. The families of the lost 29 men requested a multi-day tramp and mountain bike trail to be built in honor of the lost souls.
This trail not only commemorates the 29 miners, but has also brought economical benefits to the West Coast communities.
Sweet. You're a bit slow moving, aren't you? Oh, God. We are at the final hut. A bit smelly after tramping for 2 days. We can actually finally see something because for the last 2 days you couldn't see anything. But yeah, we actually have a view. And as promised, we are leaving in the rain again. Just 16K hike out and back to civilization.
The landscape was unforgettable and the hut accommodations dry and cozy. And despite the weather, which honestly added to the experience, the hike comes highly recommended by us.
How are you feeling after that swim? Refreshed? Oh, so good. The cleanest we've been in 3 days. So good. And I got my shorts on, finally.